Welcome to part 12 of 500 most common English words for adults, words 276 to 300. More essential daily words with clear American pronunciation and real examples. Repeat, you're getting closer to 500. Word 276, between. Preposition for middle meanings. Example. Word 200 for possess. Repeat, own. Own your success. Word 278, however. Pronounce however. Example, however, try again. Word 279, repeat, know. Example, know your strengths. Word 280, while. Pronounce conjunction for during. Repeat, while working. Word 281, pronounced for final. Repeat, last. Example, last chance. Word 282, might. Pronounced ability. Example, might happen. Word 283, next. Adjective for following. Example, next step. Word 284, few. Few. Example, few people. Word 285, those. Example, those ideas. Word 286, example. Pronounced example. For example. Word 287, several. Pronounced sorry, zen several options. Word 288, change. Change, verb for altering. Change plan. Word 280, right. Pronunciative for correct. Right choice. Word 290, boy. Noun for young male. Example, little boy. Word 291, around. Repeat, around. Look around. Word 292, sentence. Pronounce sentence. Example, complete sentence. Word 2, residence. Repeat, home. Example, go home. Word 294, course. Now, of course, pronounce. Example, of course. Word 295, problem. Example, solve problem. Word 296, never. Example, never give up. Word 297, high. Repeat. Example, high expectations. Word 298, story. Pronounce a story. Noun for narrative. Word 299, a noun for series. List. Word 300, along. Example, come along. Fantastic! You've mastered words 276 to 300. Keep going! Subscribe for part 13 tomorrow and continue to 500. Between meetings. Own success. Great! Now you see you in the full lesson. Last chance to improve. Might. Those ideas are brilliant. Example. For example, several options. Boy, battery. Let's learn some words. Around, look around. Sentence, complete sentence. Never, high, story, list, along. Master 300 words. Watch full part 12 for slow lessons, plus subscribe for part 13.